Yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening.
Just yeah, I question. Ah, pencil more.
Oh, sorry.
So please, one job. Wait. Future wipes on dog for like 12 hours. It's 15 minutes to midnight, and they are standing in front of Dark Inquisitor now.
Yeah, they did actually kill it.
Oh yeah, but you know it's 15 minutes.
Well, could expect them to fucking. Ah, can't do this one. Move on.
Alright, let's blast.
What do we do with
Please
Lust?
communicate. We're using it at the same time. On the fourth transition, 20%.
We're lasting pillar. We're gonna save it.
I just said we saved it.
I didn't hear you.
Saving till after. Let's go.
I'm
Stand
switching.
buff.
Is there any trick to see it fast, or?
No, you just look at the markers, but don't focus on the ad. Don't focus on the wall. Just call where the ad is, and that's it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So to the ad, if you can see it.
It's red people that can see all the time.
Transition projection. Red.
Red, far.
Finish the psyche.
Yeah,
To the
finish
end.
the Psyche, yeah.
It's dead, yeah.
Yeah.
It is that.
Illusionary projection.
Zero, you're in a different realm to me and Pemp, so you see
Yeah.
some spicy.
They wouldn't have really have any CC though if it goes in the other realm now.
Ad.
I'm in Frost Nova.
Make sure the ad dies.
Yeah, I guess yeah, just have the Frost Nova then.
Yeah, we're getting these images.
Images of CC. absolution.
They're on the
Yeah,
ad.
we could-
They're on the ad.
Transition
Do you see them?
projection.
Do you see them?
Blue.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. We're fine where we are. Be on blue marker. Kill the ad though. Kill the ad. There's also one on top of.
Don't
You
stand
mark
behind
purple
it.
new. It's purple. If it...
Yes, I marked purple.
We still fine here?
They're
Yep.
yeah, they're still
They're
rooted.
immune for 30 seconds, right? So after root I can kill them?
Yes.
Yes, same as cover.
Call out if we need to move.
No, we're completely fine.
Illusionary projection.
There's only in the top now. But they're dying as well. There's just one left now, all the way in the top.
Add on rip. Make sure it dies.
Transition projection.
We skip
Red.
the ads. Just focus the ad.
Watch out, the psyche's still there. Finish it.
It should have been caught 5
green.
seconds ago.
It's red.
Very far.
Yeah, green. Red, green.
Listen,
Wait, which one? There's two.
he's
Green,
both in-
green,
Oh,
green,
you
green,
got the
green.
Green.
It's kinda in between the two markers.
Yeah.
Well, right there.
just gonna pull the boss back to the range camp, I think.
Okay, so
Illusionary projection.
The
we're
second
lasting max
potion
that
now,
then,
if-
or
Yes.
Debuff.
it's on the Seko.
Green away,
Swipe
please,
to
odds.
Images spawn in 5 seconds.
You should have lost it. I don't know
Still
why.
leave that shit on the ad.
Images
all
of
the ads.
It's on the
absolute.
ad, on the ad, on the ad.
They're right
Get
on
away.
that.
Illusionary
Transition.
projection.
No.
They're rooted on the ad. They're rooted on the ad. It's fine.
I can't see them anymore.
I'll be
Stay on the
lasting
blue
at some
marker.
point today.
Red. Don't
Is
move
it
to red, don't walk to red. You can go now. Melees.
I can't. No, you can't.
Never mind.
We have
never
a
mind. We didn't. Root.
We just gotta survive killing this one. Then we're fine.
Can kill the wall now.
Illusionary projection.
Those of you that can see it.
We ignore it if we get it, yeah?
Nah, kill us.
Okay, killing it.
This feels
No,
bad.
why do I get speed?
Oh, dread.
AV, of course.
AP.
Actually, speed is biz. Speed is biz.
That's big lags, dude.
Well, if I don't have crafted legs, sure.
I mean,
Well, I don't think we're killing more than 8 minutes.
Huge done.
Big done.
Yeah, I don't think you can